How to create slow motion on CapCut. Are you guys facing issues to use slow motion on CapCut? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open CapCut on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now go over the project that you want to create slow motion on. Once you enter the project, click on the video tape. Now click on speed. After you click on speed, select normal. Now drag it to the left side to make your video slow motion. Once you drag it to the left side, your video will be slow. And that's it guys, that's how you're going to create slow motion on CapCut application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding CapCut, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.